Hello guys, welcome back. Finding the perfect running shoes can make all the difference in performance, comfort, and injury prevention. In 2025, top brands continue to innovate with advanced cushioning, stability, and durability. Here are the top 5 best running shoes that stand out for their superior design, responsiveness, and overall running experience. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Adidas Adizero SL2. The Adidas Adizero SL2 is a high-performance running shoe designed for speed and comfort. Featuring a lightweight mesh upper for breathability and a responsive Lightstrike Pro midsole, it delivers excellent energy return and cushioning. The Continental trademark rubber outsole ensures superior grip on various surfaces, making it perfect for both training and racing. With a sleek design and secure fit, the Adizero SL2 provides the support needed for runners pushing their limits. Whether you're sprinting on the track or logging miles on the road, this shoe combines agility, durability, and style for an enhanced running experience. Number 4. On Cloudrunner 2. The On Cloudrunner 2 is a versatile running shoe designed for both beginners and seasoned runners. Featuring CloudTech cushioning, it provides a soft yet responsive ride, reducing impact on joints while enhancing energy return. The engineered mesh upper ensures breathability and a secure fit, while the wider outsole offers increased stability. With its Helion Superfoam, the Cloudrunner 2 delivers optimal comfort for long runs, training sessions, and even gym workouts. Whether you're hitting the pavement or the treadmill, this shoe supports smooth, effortless movement, making it an excellent choice for runners seeking comfort, durability, and performance in every step. Number 3. Brooks Ghost Max 2. The Brooks Ghost Max 2 is a high-cushion, neutral running shoe designed for ultimate comfort and support. Featuring soft DNA Loft 2 foam, it provides a plush yet responsive ride, making it ideal for long-distance runs and daily training. The rocker-style sole promotes smooth transitions, reducing strain on the legs and feet. Its breathable mesh upper ensures optimal airflow, keeping your feet cool and comfortable. The wide base and durable rubber outsole enhance stability and grip on various surfaces. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced runner, the Ghost Max 2 offers a cushioned, effortless, and enjoyable running experience. Number 2. Nike Pegasus Trail 5. The Nike Pegasus Trail 5 is a versatile trail running shoe designed for runners who transition between road and off-road terrain. It features Nike ReactX foam for enhanced cushioning and energy return, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride. The shoe's updated traction pattern provides excellent grip on uneven surfaces, while the breathable mesh upper keeps feet cool and comfortable. A durable rock plate adds protection against sharp rocks and debris. With a secure midfoot fit and reinforced toe cap, the Pegasus Trail 5 delivers stability, durability, and all-day comfort, making it perfect for adventurous runners tackling mixed terrains. Number 1. Asics Nova Blast 5. The Asics Nova Blast 5 is a high-performance running shoe designed for runners seeking a responsive and energetic ride. Featuring FF Blast trademark Plus ECO cushioning, it delivers soft landings and explosive toe-offs for a smooth, bouncy feel. The engineered mesh upper enhances breathability and support, keeping feet cool and comfortable. A wider base ensures stability, while the AHAR trademark outsole provides durability and excellent traction. Ideal for daily training and long-distance running, the Nova Blast 5 offers a perfect balance of cushioning and responsiveness, making it a top choice for runners who crave speed, comfort, and versatility on the road or treadmill. So guys, that's all for the Doc Top 5 Best Running Shoes for 2025. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.